Hello students, how are you? We are doing words problem from chapter 4. So now one or two more we are doing. So first you see exercise 4.3 question number 9. So what is question number 9 is saying two water taps together can fill a tank in 9:3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. To fill the tank separately, find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So my dear students, two taps are there. Then he is saying the tap which is larger in diameter, whose radius or diameter is more, it takes less time than the smaller tap. It is very much clear. When diameter is more, then this tab will take less time. So he is saying it takes 10 hours less time. Hear this. So let time taken by tab small in diameter is equal to x hours. So therefore time taken by tab larger in diameter, that is x minus 10 hours. Because he is saying the tab which is larger in diameter, it takes 10 hours less time. So now what I do? Smaller tab means smaller in diameter. Smaller tab 1 hour work. So these are the work time question. So if suppose one man do the work, one work do in 10 days. In one day how much he will do? 1 by 10 part he will do. If you do one work in 4 days, in one day how much part will do? 1 by 4. Same. If smaller tab fills in x hours, so in 1 hour it will fill 1 by x part. So smaller tab 1 hour work 1 by x. Larger tab 1 hour work, this is 1 upon x minus 10. And both fills together in how much time? Both fill together in 9:3 by 8. That is 75 by 8 hours. So both tabs 1 hour work, because now in this case both tabs fill together in 75 by 8 hours. So both tabs 1 hour work means reciprocal of this, just like this, reciprocal of this 8 by 75. When hours given, when you say 1 hour work, you will take the reciprocal of this. You will take reciprocal of this 1 hour work. If both together fills, then take reciprocal of this. So according to question, both together. So what is the smaller tab 1 hour work? 1 by x. Larger tab 1 hour work 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Both tab together, it means you will take plus, you will not take minus. So now this is the main equation. This is the main equation, my dear students. Now we have to take the LCM and then simplify. So if I take LCM here, no problem. X into x minus 10, x cancel, so x minus 10 here, x minus 10 cancel, x 1 ja x, so 8 upon 75. This x plus x will not cancel, then x plus x, you write 2x. So x plus x, 2x minus 10 upon x into x square minus 10x is equal to 8 upon 75. Now you cross multiply 8 into this 8x square minus 80x 150x minus 750. So 8x square minus 80x minus 150x. Clear this? Shift here plus 750 is equal to 0. So you see 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. So you see it is 8, 230, 750. All terms are divisible by 2. So divide both sides by 2. Then you will get 4x square minus 115x plus 375 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So my dear students, in exam by factorization method it is impossible that you will solve by D method, but here it is an NCERT question. You will do many times practice. Here also I will tell you some small shortcut method. You see how you will do factors by factorization method. You just simple 4 into 375. 4 into 375. You see 4 into 375, it is 1500. 1500. So factors are also the same, 15 and 100. I am speaking 1500. Then suppose 15 and 100. 1500, 15 and 100. The factors are this 15 and 100 will take. So 4x square minus 15x minus 100x plus 375 is equal to 0. So these are two common. X common, 4x minus 15 minus, you common this 25, 4x minus 15. So 4x minus 15, x minus 25 is equal to 0. So what do you say? Either 4x minus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 25 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 25 and here 4x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 4. Both are positive. Both are positive. Then what do you say? What do you think? Both are the answer. So my dear students, you see both are not the answer. If I will take x is equal to 15 by 4, that is x is equal to 3:3 by 4 over, it means it is the time taken by, it is for smaller tab. So smaller tab work is 3:3 by 4. And what is larger tab? For larger, what do you say? Larger, x minus 10. So 3x minus 10 means 3:3 by 4 minus 10. So time, it is rejected. Why? Because time can't be negative. Time can't be negative. So it does not satisfy the condition. So I will take this one. X is equal to 25 is the valid answer. So therefore, then answer you write here. Clear this? So therefore answer you write in proper form. Therefore time taken by smaller tab is equal to x, that is 24 hours, and time taken by larger tab means larger in diameter, that is, you can see x minus 10 hours, so that is 25 minus 10, that is 15 hours. Clear this? So one answer is this, 25 time taken by smaller tap 25 hours, time taken by larger tap 15 hours. So my dear students, we have learned in this question the question from 7th class. Also we have learned the questions from work and time. So if one man do the work in 5 days, in 1 day he will do 1/5 part. So this concept we have taken in this, and then both together fills and both together 1 hour work. Then we will take plus, take the LCM, cross multiply, you will get the main quadratic equation. Then by factorization method we have solved, and then 2 positive answer we have got. But this one answer does not satisfy condition because first time is positive and larger tap time is negative. So this is rejective because time can't be negative, and this is the valid answer. Then you see, so therefore sir, time taken by small tap 25 hours and time taken by larger tap 25 minus 10 15 hours. So in this way you have to revise words problem from example also, then there will be no problem in future from this quadratic equation. Thank you.